stop there, so I'll work on this. But that was thread and threading. I want to go in and worry about stopping if you're going to cut a 2mm pitch thread. This fixes it up. Just took a bit of planning. And, well, not planning, but just did it as created it as I went. Improvised. It's a lot more work done to it, but just had to clean up the surfaces where it touches the wave. So that's not far enough up, so I'll loosen that off. Yeah, if I move it up to there and say that's where I want to stop with my threader, just say it's threader, but I haven't got it on. But that's where I want to stop. That's where I tighten it up. That should stop before that. Okay, let's see. Tighten it up. Tightens up a bit better now, but I had to grind it. Got a fiddle with a bit more grinding. Or adding a piece more on the bottom jaw that holds it on the way. But this part works well. Put it in gear and try it by hand first. That power feed jet, I'm not that good at it. Well, it's going to take a while. Put it up near it. Closer. Come on, get in. Two. That's better. Okay. Down there, it's getting ready to come and touch it and disengage it from the lead screw. Here it goes. It's moving this. I don't know if the light looks right. There we go. It stopped. A bit shy of where I wanted it to stop, but just a little bit shy. So okay. Just a matter of moving it across that much, probably. Like I said, just trialing there and seeing how it's going. Got some more tweaking to do, but yeah, I'll take some more photos of this next to my scale roller, which is just only a little T204 optimum lathe. Take that up there, put it into gear. Okay, now try again. Stopped before the trough, so I didn't get far enough. But that's alright. Now, we'll put power on. Yep. Could go faster, but there's no point. We're gonna add some weld more. Yeah, very good. Just so you're threading. You might set up with 2mm pitch. Oop, stopped. Perfect.